I'm going to go ahead and see if this tallow candle will boil some water here. If you're using a little candle to heat your water, you know, you're going to want to put a lid on it, or you'll definitely never get it. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Get you down here where you can see the pot and the flame. And we'll just let it go and see how long it takes. And I'll go ahead and speed this up for the sake of time. Well, it's been about 7 minutes. And the water's steaming. So we'll just let it keep going, see how long it takes to boil, if it will boil. Well, now it's been about probably 16 minutes total, and the water's steaming really good, but it's still not boiling. Let it go and see what happens. No, it just ain't happening. That's 25 minutes and it's still not boiling. I'm gonna back the camera up. You can see it's steaming like crazy. And it's way over 140 degrees. But it did heat the water up enough in 10 minutes, or 7 minutes, to make tea, which is what I intended to do today. And you can see it's steaming like crazy. And that tallow candle did put quite a bit of soot on the bottom of that pot too. When the candle burns, you don't notice the soot, but when you stick a pot right on the flame, it tends to put a lot of soot on it. But I'm going to go ahead and make some tea here. That was my whole plan in the first place. It's pretty cold too, it's below freezing. But that's just a test. I wanted to see if that would work for boiling water, but it didn't. Now, as hot as that is right now, I have a feeling if I'd have left it on there for another 8 minutes, it probably would have been boiling, but it's just not worth it. I mean, for me, if it takes more than 10 minutes to boil you know, 10 or 20 ounce thing of water, it's really not worth it. You can find better ways. Oh well, live and learn. Gonna go ahead and sweeten that tea with some homemade maple syrup. I know I got a lot of videos on my channel about making the stuff, but I don't think anybody's ever seen me actually use it. Works great for a sweetener, or for whatever else, you know, really. I'll take this whole piece of basswood and use it as a stir. Nice thing about that syrup, though, unlike honey, it dissolves in water pretty quick. Honey tends to glob up. It's kind of hard to get it dissolved in water, especially cold water. That syrup dissolves easy. No sense in drinking out of the billy can. It's not like I'm out in the woods. It definitely got that water hot. Boy, that's hot. I can't even pick that up. Nice to have something to drink on a cold day. Something hot. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.